Everybody, I bet you never thought very much about font and font choices, right? If you go into Microsoft Word and you look at all the different options you have for fonts, I mean, there's almost limitless, and some of them look just completely crazy, right? Wingdings, what does that mean? Take a look at that, and you'll see it's pretty crazy stuff. But the video that you watch, and make sure you watch the video before you post this week. The video you watch is all about the importance of fonts. So when you're thinking about something like resume writing, something you're all going to do if you haven't done it already, how much thought should you put into seemingly subtle things like font choice? Well, turns out you should put some thought into it because there are some fonts that seem to work very, very well for a professional document like that, whereas there are others that are completely inappropriate. Comic Sans, it really shouldn't be used for very much, right? So the question is, how much do things like that matter when it comes to professional documents like resumes or cover letters, things of that nature? So the hypothetical is, you are a manager of a team and you're looking to hire, and you have a couple of resumes that come in, and these resumes have a lot of issues, right? They seem to be kind of wacky, strange font choices, maybe some strange colors, and then maybe formatting wise, there are some issues there. Maybe things are kind of all over the place. Maybe things are just flat out sloppy. What do you do in a case like that? So this is a topic that often brings a wide range of thoughts from students. Some students will say, well, I'm still going to bring that person in to interview them or hire them because maybe the content is really great and I want to give everyone a chance. And someone else will say, nope, it goes right in the garbage. If you can't take this kind of thing seriously, if you don't know how to do it effectively, then you have no place in a professional, situation or a professional context. And there's other people who kind of maybe somewhere in the middle there. So it's up to you to really delve into the subject, really analyze it and say, okay, what would I do? How much do those formatting things matter? And how much does the content of the resume itself matter? And if I had somebody who had, a decent amount of experience and a really nice resume, and somebody who had, more experience but a very poorly organized resume, is that person still going to be the one you want? Or does the organization style mean something? Does it really tell us maybe something about somebody's fitness for a specific position, something like that? So this is a real opportunity for you to start thinking, okay, why does all of this matter? And so all of this, again, is meant to reflect back in our own lives, as this is a career college, and prompt us to start thinking, okay, where am I in this whole resume writing process? Is mine professional looking? Is mine riddled with mistakes and errors? Do I have a lot of good experience here? Are people looking beyond the experience at other things as well? So this is an opportunity to really jump into this discussion and really see if we can pull out any information that could be of benefit to us personally when we go through all of these different things like resume writing and cover letter writing and things like that. So very curious to see what you all have to say this week. Thanks.